Welcome to Chart of the Day. I'm Robert Folsom. The jaw-dropping chart of the Dow Robert Prechter showed nearly 2 years ago. Here's an idealized graph of the Elliott wave expanding triangle pattern. If you have Frost and Prechter's Elliott wave principle, see page 50. Triangle patterns unfold sideways in 5 overlapping waves: A, B, C, D, and E. It's a corrective move that goes against a trend at one larger degree, in this case a bullish trend, which is why the waves before and after the triangle move higher. Again, this is an idealized expanding triangle. Question is, what's the benefit of recognizing this pattern? Well, if you see that price has reached the lower line of the triangle, you can anticipate the big move ahead. You could also spot the pattern at an even earlier point, say when price is here. Then you'd be ready for what follows, which could be relevant indeed to your investing or trading strategy. So onto a real example from a real market. In April 2019, Robert Prechter did spot a potential expanding triangle in the Dow Industrials. This is the weekly Dow chart Bob showed to Elliott Wave Theorist subscribers. Here's the upper triangle line. This dotted line is the lower triangle line. At that point, the pattern had completed waves A, B, and C. And as we saw in the idealized triangle, knowing the shape of the pattern allowed Bob to anticipate where waves D and E should be. Now, on this April chart, you'll see that Bob did recognize the Dow may go straight up to complete wave D, or that it may instead move down and then move up to complete wave D. In either case, wave E would follow as a strong move down. Well, in the weeks after, the Dow decided to move lower, so on June 6, 2019, the June Elliott Wave Theorist showed this updated chart with the leg down that had followed the April 2019 forecast. Today, it's January 2021, and that April forecast was nearly 2 years ago. So here is how the Dow unfolded through January 15th, 2021. A completed expanding triangle and thrust higher that followed. This is where I say not all forecasts work out this way. To stay up to the minute on the Dow Industrials and more, the Financial Forecast Service includes the Elliott Wave Theorist, the Elliott Wave Financial Forecast, and the 3 times per week short-term update. Thanks for your time.